most important thing I learned from research at design workshop is empathy. In research, what you do all the time, well, it's not just doing research, but you have to be able to communicate your results with your audience. Now, your audience could be people in your field or outside the field, and the way to communicate the most effectively is when you empathize with your audience. How much time do they have? What do they want to know? What do they need to know? And what you really want to convey should align. And I think after being in the workshop, I really keep this in mind every time I want to present it to anyone. And the audience also includes myself. So the process of collecting data and representing data, I have to do it in a way that I could understand it as well whenever I go back. And that takes a little more than organization. It also takes creativity.